what is the best way to talk to your kids about body image? I would say best way is to not talk about it at all. Why does it even need to be made a thing? Right? When you put attention on something, then they think about it more. They think about their body more. They think about if you've taught them how to eat healthy, if you've taught them that exercise is important just because they like how movement makes them feel, then they're going to be proud of what their body can accomplish. They're going to be proud of how strong, how agile, how light, how fast, all these awesome qualities of their body is. Then they judge themselves based on their ability, not on their appearance. And I think if we talk about body image too much, then they start to actually think about their bodies too much, when really we should just be talking about how can I keep feeling good? And so I probably won't have these conversations with my son and my future family. I will just lead by example. I will talk good about my body. I won't catch myself looking bad or talking bad about my body. And I will just make sure he likes the way his body performs, not always focus on what it looks like.